So this is Wario again here. Yeah. And today I've got a really impressive fan to show you. Just mounted, and I fixed it up as best I could. Here it is, my W&W Hawkins. Now, this switch that says fans here is what does the fan. But there's only one fan. What the heck? Okay, something just fell. Oh, it's that spare blanket. But there's a shot underneath my W&W Hawkins. Close-up shot. And I've got a little bit of stuff to clean up here. Higher up shot from the side. You can see the motor here. And it's got quite a bit of down on it. A stray wire hanging out. I don't know if that's going to affect anything or not. But, I'll see if I can try and get this back in. So I'm like right here in the canopy. It's like here at the downward housing and, well, it's hanging out, so I'm going to just try my best to get back in. I can't get back in there. Here is, this is the fan protein, so this is the light. See, I have a GLB in there. That's short for glow stick bracelet. It is a type of bulb in here at W&W. And it does give off light. Fan pull chain. It's not affected the fan anyways because the switch on the wall is off. So I gotta fix this wire. Oh, I just knocked it out again. But still, it's a very nice fan, and so far my favorite model. This is the biggest fan I've ever made. And you don't know how much paper I had to use. Also used a lot of ink for my marker and pen. I had to use a lot of string to make the pull chains. And I used even more paper down here for the little ends of the pull chains. And these are superiorly long blades. And I also used a GLB bulb in this. It's already inside. If you can see that good enough. I already put the bulb inside. And I fixed up the light kit housing as good as I could. The motor's a little open, so I'll give you a peek inside the motor. And also, this was a really difficult mount. I had to mount it right on the beams of the ceiling. Because that's where I can put the wires. Because of this ceiling, you see, lifts up and doesn't hold very well. It's ceramic tile. Also has lots of holes and stuff. Yeah, this thing's a pretty rough shape, but I was able to mount the ceiling fan. It's also in kind of rough shape with droopy blades. So it goes good for this room. Anyway, I gotta fix this wire, so see if I can do that a little better now. And making it get inside, stay inside. Get a little wire hanging. Seriously dangerous. Ah. Oh, that was still a bit of wire hanging out. Just gotta get the rest of it in as good as possible, and then... Bam! It's in. It's kind of crammed, but I did the best I could. Give you a view. Yeah, I did the best I could, but still a bit of wire showing. But anyways, that's my W. Hawkins ceiling fan.